my pet bird. Ricky. Ricky. Here's my pet bird. His name is Ricky. Ricky. Good birdie. He bites. He's a parakeet. He's staring at the camera right now. He's like, what is that machine? Ricky is a very playful bird. That's why I gave him lots of toys. I fill his water every day. My dad does his food and clean his cage. He has his own little swing up there.
What?
There he is again.
What? School is canceled for tomorrow.
Oh, fun day weekend! Oh, that was just another snow day tomorrow. Right now, Ricky's clinging to the wall because he's scared of the camera. He's jumping everywhere. I'm going to try to get him on camera. Stop! I'm trying to chase you so I can get you on film. Ricky. Wow! Ricky, I need to get you on film. Ricky. Ran away again. He's right up there. He loves his little bell. He's a funny bird. That's my pet bird. Not part one. This is my pet bird. He's a funny pet bird. Goodbye.